Hi folks, this is PC Projects. This is amazing. This is a new computer from Orange Pi. It's Orange Pi 6. As you can see, it's a little bit different from its predecessor, which would probably be, so Orange Pi 6 would probably be cheaper. So as you can see, there are just 2 RAM modules, and for Raspberry Pi 6 Plus, it's got 4 RAM modules. And we have to go back, so we're here. So this is the system on chip, and we have 2 Ethernet ports. We have here 2 USB ports. So this is Orange Pi 6 Plus, and we have 2 USB-C ports and 1 HDMI port and 1 video display port. So what you can see here is that the ports have been a little bit optimized. It doesn't mean exactly whether they are not there actually. So I see here 2 USB ports, 1 Ethernet port, the other Ethernet port, and we have display port and HDMI port here. So we have some connectors. This is probably e-display port and the connector. Okay, so it's maybe better that we go here and see a little bit more of it. So it's got, of course, the same system on chip than Orange Pi 6 Plus, but it's a little bit smaller, and I hope it gets a little bit cheaper. We don't have the prices yet because there is no, these offers are not yet working, but we can see the dimensions here. So it's okay, this is Raspberry Pi 5 size, which is about the credit card size, but Orange Pi 6 is just a little bit larger. So, and it's also got, you can see here, an audio connector. So a really interesting thing, because this computer is small, but on the other hand, it just can do a lot of things that also Orange Pi 6 Plus can do. And we also see here we have a cheaper option. This is 8 GB option because with Raspberry Pi, with Orange Pi 6 Plus, we only have more than 16 GB option. So this computer is probably be priced around 150 euros here in Europe, and maybe around $150 in USA. As you can see, it's a really very interesting product. I like it very much, because what is important is here. So we all need this, because this is a real powerhouse and it does all the things. So if you run video rendering and everything else, so you don't really need so many USB ports. And if you need some more, you can connect here. You have additional 2 USB ports. You can just connect the cable here, just like on Orange Pi 6 Plus. So here we have a touch interface, we have speaker interface, audio input-output interface, analog microphone, a speaker. So many good interfaces, so many good features. Actually, I'm really excited, and we can see here it is a connector for real-time clock battery. Also a good feature. You really need this if you want to run it as a desktop. And of course, because it's smaller, you would also be able to use it in your maybe robotic products. And we have a debug port here. So this is UART port, a debug port. And okay, this is 40-pin expansion port header. Of course, this is also important because this kind of button is working better than on Raspberry Pi, because it's also got a function that if you want to keep your computer off after the power outage, then it's gonna stay off. Oh, what I've missed here is they are not just Ethernet ports, but interestingly, we also got 2 USB 3.0 ports. But what we haven't got, and maybe it's a bit, okay, I don't know. So we haven't got USB. Oh, I was speaking too fast actually. They're there. They're here actually. look at this. These are USB-C type ports. So we've got all the USB ports, so I'm not actually missing anything. So we have from the bottom side, as you can see, we have M.2 connectors for one SSD drive, for another SSD drive, and we have a reset button. Wow. And we got an SD card slot. So if you don't want to buy this a little bit more expensive SSD drive, then you can go for an SD card as well. We have two camera ports, a little bit different connectors, but nevertheless, so it really looks nice. And here is okay. This can be used for powering or for anything else. And we have another, so the same, mostly the same configuration as on Orange Pi 6 Plus, but I guess this computer should be cheaper. So it's really a great computer. And what we can see here is a different kind of labeling of the system on chip. But this kind of system on chip is actually the same no matter of the labeling. So if it writes there CP8180 or CD8160 or 8180, so CD, CP8160 or 80, these are all the same system on chip, so don't worry. I've just checked a lot of documentation on the internet, and they say that it is the same no matter what kind of chipset it is used. Of course, this computer will still need considerable cooling, so this part would be covered by a powerful cooler. You can see here these are mounting holes for the cooler assembly, so it must come here. So I like it very much. It's really a nice computer. It's a little bit smaller, but it's also almost as powerful as Orange Pi 6 Plus. So a very good computer, very nice computer. I like it. If you've liked this video, please press like and subscribe buttons, and don't forget about the notification bell. If you'd like to help this channel growth, hype this video as well. See you in the next video. Bye.